In this video, we're going to look at how to do two different types of constructions. These are going to be two of the simpler constructions. We're going to be given a line segment, and we want to construct another line segment that's congruent to the given line segment. And then we're going to be given another line segment, and we want to construct the midpoint of that line segment. So, okay. First, we're given this line segment, and we want to construct another line segment that's congruent to this line segment. And again, using just a compass or straight edge, or both. So here, what we want to do is, let's take a compass, okay, put the center of the compass at one of the endpoints of the line segment, and then set the radius equal to the other endpoint. This is exactly what you would do with if you were working with a physical compass, mechanical compass. All right, then you would tighten down your compass. Here we don't have to tighten anything, just leave the radius as it is. And now we can construct a line segment congruent to segment AB in any orientation we want. Because what we do is, with this radius fixed here, we pick a point, a starting point, say here. Okay, now we just move with the radius still fixed, we move the center of the compass to that point. And now, if we connected this point anywhere to this arc here, that would be a congruent segment. Anywhere here, doesn't matter. Any one of these segments is congruent to AB. You see? And we could make the starting point wherever we want. All of these line segments are congruent to segment AB. Okay. Now, what if we wanted to construct the midpoint of this segment AB? You know, we want to put the midpoint, so we could eyeball this. But what if we wanted to do this as precisely as possible? Well, what we could do is we could take the compass, put the center of the compass at one endpoint, and then set the radius to where it's definitely greater than half the length of segment AB. So for sure, it's past the midpoint, like here. Then what we want to do is draw an arc that definitely goes past the midpoint. So you see, so the midpoint is, you know, somewhere in here, so this arc goes past the midpoint. Okay? Now, next, without changing this radius here, the radius is fixed, we bring the center to the other endpoint and do the exact same thing. Okay. Now, if we connect these two intersection points with a line segment, then where that segment crosses line AB is the midpoint. Pretty cool. And we can think about how this same process you can do with a line in any orientation. Doesn't matter. Just take your compass, put it center at an endpoint, set the radius to where it's definitely greater than 1/2 of the line length. Draw an arc with the radius fixed, come to the other endpoint, draw an arc, and just connect those two intersection points. And that's the midpoint.